Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Xpero demo experience. In today's demonstration, we're going to be showing a combination of Customer 360 and the idea of treasure mapping, which is searching for information perhaps that we didn't realize, or in some cases, we're identifying trends or analytics around Customer 360. In this case, this is our base Customer 360 screen. I can see that I have a customer called Fran Farmington. I can identify perhaps that there is a low sentiment. The other thing that I can identify from this graph is that in this particular case, there are potentially some disputes. And more importantly, off to the right, I see something called a customer journey match. And what we see now is over on the left that Fran Farmington matches one of our high net worth individuals. In this particular instance, we're now looking to find the information about why, if I lose Fran as a customer, what is the dollar or potential impact? Is it $1 or is it perhaps $10 or even worse, is it perhaps $100 for each $1 that this customer may bring to me? In this case, what I can see now is the connections, and I can see again the two disputes that are here. And in this particular case, what I'd like to do now is actually go out and start to do more of a back office function. So this is a tool that might be used by an analyst or a Customer 360 specialist. In this case, I'm looking for customers that might have low sentiment. What are the categories of reasons for sentiment? And what I can see in this case is that lost or stolen credit cards, which is very similar to what we have seen now for Fran. What I can see now is these are the different categories inside of financial services, where this product of this person might be and sort of what the impact can be. And what I'm finding now is that, well, this is pretty traditional. The second thing that I can do then is let's use graph. And in this case, what I'm able to do then is I can actually pull up a series of my customers. And what I want to find out now is what about these particular customers in specific, Fran Farmington. In this case, I can find now that actually Fran is extremely influential. What I can see then in red, these are other large net worth individuals inside of the bank that also interact with Fran. So losing Fran could potentially now have an extremely influential rank of these other customers that currently bank with us. The second thing that I can do is I can do things like closeness or page rank or degree of separation. And so now what I'm starting to realize is that Fran is in a combination of the graph algorithms that I've just run, which is he's extremely influential. The people that he knows actually are also very influential as well. And so for each $1, it looks now like we're trending towards hundreds of dollars of impact if we lose Fran. And now what I'd like to do is actually start to look at this view of abandonment, which is now not only show me Fran Farmington, but now I want to intervene in a positive way. What things can I potentially do? The first step in that journey is to actually go find additional customers that may look like Fran. What I'm now using is the power of the graph and time series across the bottom. And in this case, what I can now do is find other very important potential customers that also have low sentiment. In this case, what I'd like to do is positively intervene with this group of customers. And what I can now do is create, in this case, a customer retention program that I can actually go out now and proactively keep those customers on board. So hopefully this has been helpful in our series now on Customer 360. In this case, it's churn avoidance. Thanks.